Hi everyone and welcome back to Island Mama where we love food and travel. Well, this is a different video today. We are doing sustainable ideas for small spaces, aka small space organization ideas. So what I have here firstly is a cupboard, which is my corner cupboard, and I'm looking for a method of doing a spindle, but yet I do not want the regular spindle that you see in cupboards with that middle rod, because sometimes it overbalances and tips with the weight, shifting and stuff like that. So I have my shelf in and I want to put that spindle. So here what we did, we went by IKEA, bought the base carousel, which comes with 2 swivel shelves. It was ideal for what we wanted. We then removed the middle rod. We also bought at Lowe's Hardware the Lazy Susan. This is what we attached on to a piece of board to stabilize it into our cupboard shelves. Work perfectly and can take a lot of weight. Secondly, we wanted a shelf, got an end from a log and just made a funky shelf. And third, this was our problem solving for our shoe rack. Building this shelf was just ideal. It removed clutter, was cost effective and conveniently hidden behind doors. We also wanted a coffee table and a little end table that will not take up any square footage whatsoever. So this idea was great. It paid off so well for us to go to the lumber yard and get a piece of log and also check out the wood that they had there. And with no hesitation, we quickly removed the bark, scraped off all the edges, sandpapered our wood for all those rough edges. We want it smooth and nice before we varnish. We tried wooden legs that we got from Lowe's as well and cut it. Just angle it and balance it just to look funky and see if we really wanted that style. And we also decided to try our hand at epoxy. We, even priced some of it out and it was super expensive. So you know what? We took matters into our own hands. Bought the kit from Lowe's as well, and this is what we did. And seal those knots before we do put on the epoxy, otherwise it is going to run through it and under it and down onto our floor. And if you ever worked with epoxy before, you will know that you will see bubbles arising, and putting heat on it will cause the bubbles to pop, and so you will have a smooth surface. And this is the end result. However, we decided to switch those legs and get some metal ones instead. Ta-na-na-na! And this is our very meaningful log table, serving a great purpose, won't you say? And this is the cost that it took to make those 2 tables, upper left hand and the lower, versus the store-bought one. So you can see there we saved a bunch. I will put links in my description and see you next time.